Here we have a Daco fast cut abrasive saw. We got it hooked up to 460 volts, 3-phase power. And we're gonna do a test cut for you and show you that it works. Okay, it's got the Ruland 3-phase motor. That is a, let's see here, looking for the horsepower. That is a 10 horsepower electric motor. Okay, so we're gonna do a demonstration cut on this piece of pipe right here. We got the device all locked in and everything. And we'll just turn it on here and show you that it works. Okay, this thing also miters, so you just gotta loosen this thing right here. Once you get that loose, you could turn your hose saw to do a miter cut. It'll go up to 45 degrees here. Okay, and then you would just lock it in if you wanna lock it in and do a cut at an angle. Okay, that is the Daco fast cut 10 horsepower abrasive saw.